Hello, my name is Chisanupong Muangto. You can call me back. I'm from Chisanupong University. Today I'm going to present spaghetti ผัดกะเพรา So the ingredients we have garlic, 2 chili, soybean sauce, and oyster sauce, fish sauce, black pepper, and salt. Now we're gonna put olive oil first. And boil spaghetti and wait for 10 minutes. So now I have to take off the spaghetti. Take the spaghetti, put in the cool water to make the spaghetti have a temperature control. On to second part, I'm going to do ผัดกะเพรา So first make a pan to be hot and put olive oil. Wait the oil to be heat. Now the oil is heat and going to put garlic first. And put chili, second one. And put top in the pan and make sure that the top should be done. And I'm gonna put the ingredient is soybean soy, and fish sauce, and oyster sauce, and put the spaghetti on the pan. the last one put กะเพรา leaf and after that we gonna put spaghetti ผัดกะเพรา on the dish. Now I go to put spaghetti on the plate, but I have to make sure that the plate should be clean. So I'm gonna put กะเพรา leaf to make this to look beautiful. And chili. And black pepper to make spaghetti. Make more spicy little bit. And the last one is salt to make the spaghetti the taste to be soft